What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Well, you've stuck around here till the end. We are in the final week of renovations. Today I'm going to take you guys through all the finishing touches we did in the kitchen, in the closet, throughout the house in general, and then we're finally going to do the long-awaited kitchen reveal at the end. But with all that being said, let's have some fun and get into the final week of renos. Okay guys, another day. We are at the old house right now, and basically what we're going to be doing is switching out our appliances. So the appliances that came with the house that we bought before, it's not that they're bad, I just prefer mine because they're like black and they just look a little bit sleeker and nicer. So we're actually going to switch out the appliances at that house with the appliances at this house, if that all makes sense. We just got everything taken out. We took out the door for the oven, and we're going to be taking this dishwasher too. I just love that it's like nice and black and sleek. It's going to look so nice in our new kitchen. And then this is the KitchenAid oven that I'm so proud of because I got it for $250 on Facebook Marketplace. What a steal. So we got hubby and my brother-in-law, recruited my dad too to come. As you guys can probably tell, my past house had so many stairs and such a narrow little hallway, so it was a bit of a mission for them to get it down. The oven went in no problem, but guys, when it came down to the dishwasher, this is what happened. Oh my god, it's literally leaking. I can't.
You know what this is from?
Oh.
The movie, scary movie. It's like, Sydney, your TV is leaking.
Oh no. Oh, Dad. We're about to go do some Facebook Marketplace pickups. Today I couldn't make it on a sandwich, so this is how he's improvising his snacking situation. He's too lazy to even use the crackers, just cracking them in the tuna.
Because we have stuff to do, and
so
I don't have time to eat, so we need on the go, and this is a good option.
New Facebook Marketplace pickup.
I'm gonna switch my profession.
It's like gorgeous.
All I've been doing is bringing stuff to the
You
car.
know what, babe? This is for our house, and it's gonna
great.
make it look amazing. Oh my god, this is so stunning. Okay, you guys, today we're actually going to be doing the final step for the kitchen. This is the final thing that I can kind of DIY for myself. And basically, like I've mentioned in the past, I really want to go ahead and do some rustic shelving in the kitchen. And we specifically wanted to go with 2, maybe we'll do 3. And I wanted to show you guys how we could do the shelving for ourselves. So this big wooden plank right here I got from Home Depot. This is a 2-inch by 12-inch by 12 feet long board. And this is my favorite wood stain in the early American shade. And then once both sides are dry, tomorrow the kitchen guy is actually going to go and cut them off to the right sizes for the shelving, and it's gonna look so nice when it's done. I'm so excited. So what's great about already purchasing lumber from Home Depot is that typically the wood is already super smooth. All I'm doing here is taking a very fine sandpaper and just sanding out wherever there's some rough patches. Once the wood is all prepped and ready, you literally just gotta go stain it the color that you want. So I really love this early American shade, like I told you guys, and applying stain is super easy. Just dip it into some paper towel and drag it across the wood grain, and you can do as many coats to get it as dark as you like, and the final result ends up being gorgeous. Okay, appliances starting to go in. Ran is playing King Kong. But guys, look at all this dust. So we're gonna go and start cleaning up the floor, and then tomorrow we have the cleaning ladies. No, you have to bend it down, and that's how it gathers all the dust. Like this. We got to the house and we actually had cleaning ladies come today, so like there's no more dust on the floor, which is amazing. But I don't think I updated you guys yesterday when we put in the oven. We actually minorly scratched our floor. It's not like a physical scratch, which is really good. It's more like a metal scratch. Apparently on porcelain, whenever you have anything like metallic and you drag it across, it creates like a little bit of a stain. I don't know, we read online that you can just use some Comet to clean it. And Ran is putting some elbow grease in and trying to get it out.
Just praying for the best.
Yeah, it bothered him so much when it happened yesterday. He was literally like, it's like when you get a new car and then all of a sudden you get a scratch on it on like the first day out or something. Yeah, you guys see it? I don't think it's coming out, my love. For the bathrooms right now, obviously we haven't done the top yet because my mom is still in LA and I'm waiting for her to get back. But I thought I might as well go and just change the handles. I found these insanely beautiful ceramic ones from Amazon. They come in like a bunch of different patterns, and I feel like it gives it such a nice kind of boho look. But I think it was like maybe $20 for a pack of 10. So I'm actually gonna go and do it in the guest bathroom too. And it makes the cabinets look so much cuter. Honestly, such a little fix, but it can change up the look of your bathroom so much. Got my cousin painted. He's literally the pro of Toronto. Got everything covered to make sure that we're not gonna be messy. And buddy, you better do a good job for me. For those of you curious, the paint color we ended up going with was just Chantilly Lace by Benjamin Moore. It's a super nice clean white and it really did an amazing job at brightening up the home. So I know that I showed you guys my closet before, and the fact is it's a very small door and it's a tiny closet on the inside. So we're gonna have two of these really big systems side by side with a bunch of drawers and some hooks as well. And right over here, you guys, this is the exciting part. I got this package from Wayfair today. I'm gonna put up a picture of what it looks like, and it's basically two skinny barn doors and it's gonna open this way. So instead of having one door sliding to the right or to the left, we're gonna open it just like that. Still gonna give the look that we want, but it's gonna work for this space. And guys, look at these! They look so freaking good. Because now to access my closet, it is like so easy. We got these custom built-ins from IKEA. It's actually so affordable and they're very easy to put together. So much space! For the first time I have space in my closet. Current situation, we gotta load this in the car now.
I was ready to go sleep, man. Look.
He's literally in his PJs.
Sleep, man. One thing led to another.
I mean, might as well just take care of this now. Oh, you guys, this house I can't even understand.
4 days countdown.
So now that our basement's finished, it's time to actually go and install all the racks and equipment. The squat rack is honestly coming together so well. And this one is so cool because it's foldable. So at some point he can like fold it in and fold it out whenever he's not using it. Evan's turf actually came in. Remember how we said that he's gonna have like some turf line so that people can go ahead and like do some fun sleds and cool activities on it. First thing we gotta do is just roll it out. We got turf, people! Look at that! Do you like it?
I know. I'm so excited to like use it on clients and stuff.
I know, I feel like they're gonna love it. So right now we have all of his like dumbbells set up here. We still gotta bring the racks in. He's setting up the mats. I love the mirrors. Guys, best hack. If you ever wanna do like a gym in your basement or something, custom mirrors for this entire wall would have cost us around $3,000, remember? That was the quote that they gave us. And then I remembered the hover mirrors at IKEA are huge and they have such thin frames. So we just got 4 mirrors. Each were like 120 bucks, I think. This ended up being around $500. Compared to paying $3,000, it just is so worth it. And honestly, it just makes the gym feel so much bigger too because it just looks like it's a lot longer.
Here's an update since yesterday. The whole house is painted. We got a few boxes that are gonna take care of. We gotta rip all these, I don't know, blue peels off. We gotta get stuff ready for the new addition to the family. Moving on Sunday, today's Wednesday.
So we can actually start moving in all this furniture.
Any updates for today?
Had my 37-week ultrasound checkup. Baby's measuring fine. They said that she was a little bit small before, so they wanted to just monitor her. But right now, she is measuring totally okay. And I feel good. I still don't feel like she's coming soon. Like, I still feel like...
Meanwhile, mopping, cleaning.
I still like feel like I'm halfway through for some reason. Like, I don't know. A lot of people are just like, oh, how are you doing all of this? Like being so far ahead pregnant. Like, I don't feel such a heaviness or anything. Like,
yeah, nothing.
Honestly, I'm so eager to just get into this house that I'm doing whatever I can to just, for us to just get into it as much as we can so I don't have to deal with like all the heavy lifting and stuff. And then things like this are easy for me.
I'm here dealing with all the Cinderella stuff.
Exactly. The whole upstairs is done. Still got the main floor in the basement. It is 7 o'clock. And we have a whole night ahead of ourselves. So we're fueling up with pizza. Finally, we're peeling the stickers. You know what? I thought this was gonna be so much more satisfying, but it's actually like really hard to peel this off. You gotta take off all the edges and only then you can like, it's not like an ASMR sticker peeling, you know what I mean?
Oh, babe, attack the doors.
That's so cool. We have our kitchen! I'm so tired. Guys, welcome to our new kitchen! It's been a long time coming. You guys have been so eager to see the final reveal of everything. There's still a lot to be done. This is like the basic of the basics. So here you go, you guys. You wanted the final reveal of the kitchen. This is how it's looking like, and I'm so obsessed. I love every decision that we ended up making. So I'm actually gonna prop up what the kitchen looked like before. I just wanted to fully open it up. So by doing this entire L shape, we get so much more counter space, a lot more drawer space as well. Plus, we had the ability to do this big, beautiful island. Plus, let me show you my favorite feature about this kitchen. There are like a ton of hidden drawers down here. So like you think this is everything, right? But no. we have another hidden drawer in the drawer, and this is where I made my entire like coffee and tea section. All of these little organizers on the inside are from IKEA as well, and they fit the IKEA drawers perfectly, which is what I love. You guys saw that we went with the white backsplash tiles. These are very big bevel tiles, which gives it a really nice texture because the fact that they're kind of ribbed on the edges. And otherwise, we just went with black accents throughout to kind of break up all the white. So we have the black vent, the black oven, the black hardware, and then the black sink with the black faucet. Pregnancy brain, I don't know.
Faucet, yes.
Yes, faucet.
Water comes out of that.
With the black faucet as well. We got the microwave actually made built in as well, so that it doesn't take up any space on the countertops. We just wanted to have the countertops like as clear as often as possible, so tucking away the appliances was kind of like the best method to do that. Otherwise, I finally have a pantry, something that I didn't have in the last house. So I already went ahead and organized a couple of things. Gotta style up these shelves. If you guys actually have any ideas on what I can do, should I put kitchenware in there? Should I do more plants? Should I just do art? Like, I don't really know. Let me know down below if you have any suggestions for me, and maybe we'll apply your idea. And I don't want you to be fooled, even though this kitchen looks beautiful and nice and clean. That's the rest of the house. With that being said, we still have so much to organize in this home, so much furniture to like order and position and just do everything before baby comes. You guys, 38 weeks. I have 2 more weeks left till I reach 40. It's freaking me out a little bit, but I'm hoping she'll give me a little bit more time to get the house in order before she arrives. But otherwise, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the main bulk of these renovation vlogs. We still have so many different updates coming up in future vlogs, so be sure to stick around. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I hope that you enjoyed coming along this journey, and we can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Love y'all.